How to delete Telegram account permanently. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can delete the Telegram account permanently. So let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app and then you have to click the settings here on the bottom right corner, and here you have to choose privacy and security, and then scroll down until you see the option of automatically delete my account and choose if away for. Now click delete account now. And now scroll to the bottom of your screen and choose delete my account. And now you have to click continue over here, and then you have to just enter your number over here by choosing your country code and then click continue. And that's how you delete your Telegram account permanently. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.